The weather is suddenly going to take a turn. We'll just call it weekend weather whiplash. From mild to wild. How wild? Well, some areas could freeze. We're not going to set any records, but we could see gusty winds, perhaps 35-mile-per-hour winds right around this time tomorrow as temps are falling fast. Today we hit 72 degrees every day this month has been above average for highs. Currently outside at 61. We've got clear skies in place right now. Could see some patchy fog develop through the overnight. So tomorrow, I'm forecasting 75. Sounds beautiful, right? It will be, but then once the front comes through and once the winds shift, you will definitely need your jackets by tomorrow evening. And by Sunday morning, it's 39 the temperature, but we're still going to have winds, maybe northwest 10 to 15. How about a wind chill of 34? That's in Austin. Some parts of the hill country could see a freeze both Sunday morning and again Monday morning. Temperatures outside right now, 61 in Mason, 57 Fredericksburg, 62 in Wimberley, and 68 degrees in Thorndale. Still winds out of the south, and the cold front that we're waiting on is draped through the Panhandle and into New Mexico. It gets here tomorrow, and you'll know when it comes through because our winds will be whipping up in a big way. High temperature right around 2 o'clock, 75, then starting to drop off. The biggest change is going to be in the evening. Take a look at potential wind gusts. By 11 o'clock tomorrow, 36 miles per hour. By 3 a.m., 34 miles per hour, only dropping off a little bit as we head toward daybreak on Sunday. Now let's talk about temps and the wind chills, because obviously the wind makes it feel colder. So here we go. 7 a.m. Sunday, 39 degrees, a wind chill of 34. Let's go town by town. Here's the front. Any clouds and patchy fog shift to the east pretty quickly in the day. We should see sunshine, lots of wind. 60s in the hill country, 70s elsewhere. That'll be for your afternoon. Then by daybreak on Sunday, freezing out in Mason, close to that in Llano, 39 in Austin, 43 in LaGrange. You can take about 5 degrees off because of the wind chill. High temperature Sunday, only around 59 degrees. And then we look ahead to Monday morning, which should be the coldest for most locations, with widespread low to mid 30s, maybe some pockets of 20s. Oh, going to be a big change from what we've seen so far. If you're planning on heading to the Trail of Lights anytime this weekend, you will definitely need the jackets. As we look ahead to next week, we bump back into the 60s. We could see some small rain chances Wednesday, Thursday. Best bet coming in on Friday.